Streamers, this is revolutionary. Let's go, baby! Here comes the automatic instant replay. I have never seen anything like this before. Remember when Shroud came back to Twitch and he had that awesome instant replay function on his stream? Well, that's kind of tough to set up, as well as it may not work on your PC. And what if I told you a website could do just that automatically for you every time you get a kill? Well, not only does this website have that, it has so many more options, and then the way it works is kind of crazy. The things you saw in the beginning of this video and more can be done with the website uncanny.gg, which basically watches your stream when you connect your Twitch account to it, and it knows every single time you get a kill in Fortnite, Warzone, and coming soon to Apex Legends, and it will send out an instant replay directly from the website to your stream in high quality. Along with the instant replay, it also has a detailed movement of maps, it shows graphs of your stats of the gameplay, and it knows when you go on kill streaks and how many people are left in your game to show special animations on your stream. Now, this is a sponsored video by Uncanny, but I hope you truly see how excited I am for this, because I love playing Fortnite and Warzone, and I love pushing my streams to the limits and being the best of the best. If you guys want to get started using Uncanny, make sure you click the link in my description. And other than that, the setup process is fairly simple. All you have to do is just connect your Twitch account, and then in the top left here, select whichever game you want to play. I'm going to choose Fortnite. You won't have anything right here, but for me, I'm going to click this green plus sign, and I'm going to add a instant replay. With the instant replay, you can change the amount of zoom it has, so just click this test button to show a replay, and then you can zoom it twice, 3 times, or even 4 times to get that nice crosshair look. The threshold is basically the minimum amount of seconds it will take for another replay to show if you get a couple kills in a row. After you've adjusted your settings, click save. And exporting this is very simple. All you have to do is click this little button right here and copy the link, and then you paste it as a browser source in OBS. Let's go. Once you're in OBS, go down to your sources and click the plus sign. Add a browser source, name it Instant Replay. Press OK, and then paste the link in the URL spot, and go to the width, do 1920, and the height 1080. Press OK. Now this is your replay, and you can resize it to wherever you want on your screen. Now go back to Uncanny, press OBS test and turn it on, and then it will show the test live on your stream. Now keep in mind that if you want this to work for you, you have to have the stream up and running so that the AI can watch your stream and then send the clip to your stream once you get a kill. Now we're just going to do the exact same thing for the other components of your stream. Go back to Uncanny and select Fortnite again, or whatever game you're playing, and go over to the plus sign, and let's add a game triggered hype, which basically is an event that happens whenever you get a certain amount of kills or stay alive. Press add, and now here are all the settings. You can go ahead and select your video, and there's a bunch of different options for videos, and coming soon you'll be able to upload your own videos and images to show up. Right here, I'm just going to choose this one, 5 kills in the bag, press save, and now you can have a bunch of different options for a 5 kill streak, 10 kill streak, and so on. You can enable which ones you want to have on and off, and then you can also enable the audio, and then choose different audios to be played back.
5 kills. Come get some. Destiny calls.
I'm going to go ahead and press test. And here is what it's going to look like on stream. Keep in mind, it's only going to be the animation. It's not going to be the game in the background. So we're going to press save. Go down and save again, and then export this to OBS just by copying the link and pasting it in like we've done before. Now we're going to do the exact same thing we just did by adding another browser source. Now we have it right here, but what we're going to need to do is add some special settings. If you go back to the Uncanny website, it will show you that you need to add some chroma key settings. You're going to want to copy these settings and do as I do. So right click the event, go to filters, go to the plus sign, and add chroma key. Right here, you're going to want to make sure the similarity is 425. You can leave the smoothness on 80 and key color spill reduction at 120. And now here you go. When you can go back to Uncanny, you can test this, and this is what will show up. The next thing you can add is a map. Go to the plus sign and click map location. I'm going to go ahead and use the map that I already have, and it will basically track your way around the Fortnite or Warzone map. You can do auto follow on or off depending on what you like. It just makes the map move. And then you can also have the dot being shown, the little white one where you are, and you can turn that on and off as well. You can change the width of the line to really thick or really thin, and I'm just going to keep it middle. And then you can also change the line color, and I chose this kind of like purplish pinkish one. No really reason, I just like it because it stands out. Once you do that, you press save, export, you copy the link and paste it in the same exact way we've done for the others. There's no extra filters we need to add this one, so you can just paste it in as a browser source and let it be. The final component you can add as of right now is a chart. You can go ahead and do this by going to the plus sign and add a vital and go over to chart. And there are many different options of charts you want. This is perfect if you want to see the statistics of your game play out on stream, or if you just want to record yourself and watch it back later. And you can go over to players left. You can change the thickness of the line and the color of the line for this. And obviously there's different settings for Warzone because there's not wood, brick, and steel in Warzone. But overall, it's very similar, and you add this the exact way that you added the instant replay just by making it a browser source. As you guys can see on the left side of my screen, my map and instant replay are vertical with a border around it to top it off. That's why in the description of this video, I made some borders that you can put around your Uncanny.gg components, and you can use them for free. Just add them to your stream via an image and place them on top of it. Now, if you want to make it vertical like I do, you can go ahead and go right click on your map or replay or whatever you want to go vertical. And basically, instead of this being 1920 and this being 1080, flip the two to make sure your width is 1080 and your height is 1920, and that will give you a vertical map. And that's why on the left side of my screen I have a border around it. It looks cool, looks professional, and I absolutely love it. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you don't forget to check out Uncanny in the description. Leave a like, subscribe, and enjoy the rest of the video. There we go, let's go, baby. Oh, welcome back. Oh, shoot. Is that the same guy? No, that's a different guy. There we go. Oh, there's a guy right here. Watch this.